So I decided to do a 0 to 100 transformation because I haven't done my hair and I haven't done my makeup in like the longest time, so I thought I might as well bring you guys along with it. My skin is in shambles, and yeah, so I washed my hair like 2 days ago and this is what it looked like. It's probably gonna be hella naughty, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me as I become pretty again. Like, it's been a while. I think it's been like 2 weeks since I've actually like put makeup on because of this whole thing. But yeah, so I thought that I should just bring you guys with, so come transform with me. Okay, I'm quickly gonna hop into the shower and then I'm going to do my hair and then we'll get into the makeup. Hi, I'm back. I am fresh. I've washed my hair and now I'm about to do my hair. I'm going to just prep my hair. I'm just gonna blow it out and straighten it. It took me about 25 minutes to do my hair, which is always great. I will be right back and then we can get started on the makeup. So let's just get straight into the makeup. So I'm just gonna moisturize. and this is the finished look. I can't believe I went from like my before to this. Like, I feel gorgeous, guys. I think I need to do this like every day, just like live my life. Well, I'm sending out all my love and all my prayers to everybody that is currently in lockdown or quarantine or self-quarantine. So I'm probably going to, I feel like I want to do this again. So let me know if you are interested. Please put a comment down below if you are interested in me doing this again or in a different, I don't know. But I am so in love with this look, and I will probably see you next time.